Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and this is the final level of Spider-Man. This is the run like hell, that there's no health. And Ock is relentless. And no matter how far ahead of him you get, he always catches up. Oop, like that. That was bad. I don't know why when I run too close to a wall, I get stuck on my shoulder or something. It's kind of an odd. And that, don't stick to the wall. Do a Mario wall kick and keep going. If you do stick to a wall, just jump off it as quickly as you can. It should be okay, but actually, like I just did there, it's better. And don't.
This thing's unstoppable.
Yeah, way to donate your DNA to Venom to create Carnage, to create this. And absolutely none of it is your fault. Why is your shoulder sticking to the wall?
Stay away from me.
Yeah, that's gonna work. I'm gonna pull the man who knew too little. Time out! I got something in my eye. Time out!
Level 3. 2 more to go.
Exposition.
Pressure's really building.
And I know it's my own fault that I'm sticking to the wall like that, but I'm not jumping earlier. Well, really, I mean...
He's breathing down my neck.
Gotta keep ahead of him. Although why he runs past you.
Back off.
Almost. Just in case this was a game of horseshoes or hand grenades. Nope. But I got another level to go. This is a level where the camera angles sometimes get real screwy. Woohoo, baby.
Think I might make it. Almost got it.
Alright, just gonna run into these explosions happening up here. And alright, thanks for watching. I'm gonna end it with the cutscenes, which include Captain America, Venom, Black Cat, and I believe it's the Sinister Six as well, all of them in prison.